Hello, I'm Blaze, your YouTuber for today's, and today we're not going to be exactly doing gaming, although I am trying to showcase what I'm going to be doing for my games if it becomes successful, and right here, this is our Unity Smart Code Companion. So what this basically does is it not only generates but modifies a specific script you want. And it looks like the big AI companies just beat me. Look at this. We got summarize my code, write unit test, fix my code. The reason why I wanted to make this Unity Smart Code Companion, it was the exact reason I wanted to get my code in quicker. And right now, yeah, this was made by ChatGPT and Grok. And so I'll show you how it works. So you go into here, and then you can just select whatever script you want, and I'm gonna do the enemy. Yes, I want to do the enemy. And for my prompt, I want it to be AI that chases the player. I'm gonna keep it real simple so I don't break it. And should I use? Yeah, there's two different models I can use. I can use Distill GT2 or Code Llama 7B HF. I'm gonna use Distill GPT-2 just to see what happens. And yeah, so right now it's generating the header. I think it's up. Never mind. It working now. It's working. Oh wait, invalid 3 attempts. Failed fields. Yeah, so about this smart code from Unity, it's not very smart, to be honest. And this also takes a very long time to generate a single line of code. Not like a single line, but like entire script. Like, I remember when this took 40 minutes to just generate a script that failed, I think. Oh, would you look at that? Let's check the command. Imbalance braces count 2. Okay, that's no worries. Hold up, let me fix this. Alright, so we got Grok here. I'm just gonna do that, and alright, hold on, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, so we got our entire notepad here, and yes, this is 600 lines of code for our Unity companion script or whatever. And it looks complicated, but I just had Grok just write all the code and just told it what to do. So I'm just gonna copy that code and paste it right there and just tell it to fix the problems I'm having in here from the console. Oh yeah, by the way, when I was using Grok, it managed to just put out 1,000 lines of code. There could be like one error in the script and it just, oh, okay, I'll just rewrite the whole thing. And then if I use ChatGPT, here's multiple segments, even though it's like a short script and I can just redo it easily. Yeah, yep, it's gonna do all that. Okay, right now it's just speaking nonsense. It's not speaking nonsense, but okay. So step 1, add brace validations per chunk. I don't know what the, oh wait, maybe I could look down here. Oh, I think it's it's showing what the AI can use. So I'm just gonna put that in the script. Okay, there it is. And where does it end? Return false. Okay. Yeah, this was what I was just doing all day. Just doing this. Yep, sad. I know. But hey, I really want this working, even though I got this co-pilot chat that can just do it for me. Man, when I try something, it seems like another person takes over, and they're way better. I just want to make a little AI tool that I can use and have people maybe correct it, use it for their own great sake, for their game. I don't know. I'm just trying to make a tool that could help everybody. Anyways, yeah. 3 days spent on this smart code companion, by the way. I'm gonna use a code llama really quick and see what happens first, because I really gotta see if it does work or not. Anyways, correct. Opposite, return false. Oh yeah, it may also have your computer struggle a bit, and what I mean by struggle is its fan blades just turning on to the max. So yeah, just be aware. Generate an enemy AI system where the enemy will follow the player, and I'm not gonna put that in because I feel like that's just gonna overcomplicate the AI, and I don't want to do that. So we're just gonna have this and see if it works. Time remaining 3, 2, 1, 0. Yeah, this could take 40 minutes right here. This entire script, it's gonna take 40 minutes to generate, and it's probably gonna fail once it does try to generate the thing. And so I'm just gonna exit out of it at this point, just for my safety. So yeah, just gonna save that and run it again. Yeah, you have to run it like this. You have to go into Windows 32 and then and whatever this is. I had to go through a long process, alright? Yeah. Okay. I don't exactly want this. I want this so it doesn't break. Yeah. Anyways, let's run it. What? I almost forgot to select. Great timing right there. Let's run it. 300 seconds? That's 5 minutes. It could be worse. It could just not generate it at all. I don't know what these mean anyways. Oh wait, oh no, never mind. It's starting to generate. Never mind. It's not generating. And I don't know why. Look at our enemy AI. This looks so... Bro, there's no errors in here. Look at that. There's no more errors. Because it didn't put anything in it at all. Yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, this is just a little test. I tried to make it act like a spy. Yeah, so for this, it was just like, just see what the AI can do. I tried to make it to where... Oh, look at that! Failed to generate or save script. Check the logs or in the blah 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 whatever. Try switching to Distill GPT-2. This is Distill GPT-2. Fine, I'll just do Colama. Alright, is that making you happy? Missing Unity engine pattern. I'll just put this in and just see what it says. Let's see what the clanker says. Or Grok. That's a weird name, Grok. Oh yeah, by the way, Roundman4365. The console and outputs indicates 2 persistent issues with the script. Repeated warnings. Setting padlocked ID to... I don't know. It's just reading whatever's happening. Modify the generate text method in the AI model class to explicitly include pad token ID in the generation argument. Sure. Okay, got it. Alright. I don't know how to whistle that. Alright. Yeah, okay. Return fallback. I don't really like its return fallback because it gives me a false sense of, wow, it actually worked. Even though it just had to go back. So yeah, I don't really like that sometimes. What Grok just does the whole script anyways? Fix, modify, yep, validation, debug, yep, fix, process code. Okay, I can do that. I don't know if I'll probably have the AI try to put in the whole thing for me so that I don't make any mistakes. But that would be lazy, and I don't want to look lazy in front of people. I'll be lazy when there's nobody watching me, but I won't be lazy now, so I can show that I know what I'm doing, even though I'm using an AI to make an AI. So yeah, I'm itchy. There we go. Right there. Wait. Console function F full. Oh, it's right there. Hold up. Close call right there. Where's the word pulse? Where did it go? Where did it return false go? I don't see anymore. I think I passed it. Just scroll down a bit. Nope. Let me just go back up a bit. Okay. I lost it. I lost the thing. I already lost. I swear, it was right here. Error. No. Oh, wait. There it is. I think. Error. No. Error logged. It needs to be like error logged. Console under function. There you go. A bit down. Error logged. Aha. It's right here. Okay, I think it's right there. Did I do it right? Yep, that was it. Save that. Oh, it just did it for me anyway. I didn't even notice that. Alright, now we should definitely be good to go. Alright, let's rerun this. Rerun. Alright, let's just test out the code llama, which I think is going to take way too long to do. Yeah, it's taking way too long. I want to see if it works out, at least. So I'm just gonna run this again. Hold up. Go. Alright. Generate an system. No, that's way too complex. I don't want to be that complex. Hold up. AI that chases the player. It's simple, bold, direct, and straight to the point. Oh my gosh, wait, hold up. I think I got the wrong way. Hold up. Oh crap. I forgot to assign our little AI or enemy AI. Hold on. No, this is fun. I should show my progress of what I do more often. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take 5 minutes to generate this thing. Oh, never mind. It failed. Yeah, look at that. It failed the header. It just fails. It fails everything. Could it be the script itself? Because I never thought of that for a second. Like before, when we tried to give it the own thing, it failed. Is there a difference between... What if it's not the script and I'm just assigning the wrong thing? What if I just assign the file? Nothing else. Just like the file itself. Assets. No, it does need a C file, but... I'm gonna try again. Hold up. I don't know why I do this with my beard. Listen, I like to do that with my beard. It just feels cool, alright? Yeah, what if I just have that instead? And just run it. So it says it's gonna take 5 minutes, even though it's already failing. Okay, so it's not the enemy. It's not this. It's not the output file itself. I might as well just exit because it's not gonna work. Yeah, I don't know what's the problem. Like, I got this entire script right here. I don't know how to fix it, and it's 600 lines of code. Now, guess what? There could be like a few people that might watch this video and know what code is, and they're probably just gonna be like pointing out how terrible this script is. But you know what? That's okay. I'll take the criticism because this is literal AI, and we already have an AI assistant in here that can just recode the whole game. In fact, I'm gonna test that out with my own game right now. Hold on, I'm gonna get out of here really quick. You know what? While I do that, I'll even have Code Llama do all the work just to see if it works. So yeah, I'm just gonna run it right now. Okay, there we go. 305 minutes, it says. If it fails, I'm gonna just exit out instantly. Okay, right now I think it's actually doing it. For now, I'm just gonna go to my Unity hub, and I'm just gonna go to Eclipse of Humanity prototype. I don't know why I'm sounding like this. I don't know why I'm sounding like a Western person, but whatever. I'm just gonna let that load. I'm gonna use the bathroom, so I'll be right back, and I'm just gonna let all this do its job. Yeah. Alright, I'm in my game, and... Oh wait, Code Llama did not do anything. I'm just gonna exit out. I really don't care anymore. So anyways, yeah, this is the game's progress right now, and it's not lagging anymore now? Oh yeah, because I don't have the AI generated or whatever. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna load in, and I'm just gonna test out Copilot's new AI, since I don't think my little AI code can work anymore. Since there we go. But yeah, right now, yeah, I think I'm just gonna use the Copilot now. I know it's a bit sad, but at this point, I don't think it's gonna work. This is gonna be the best I can get, and well, yeah. Anyways, I'll show you what we got in my little game so far. So yeah, we got new houses. We even got a new GUI. Is that pretty cool, guys? Pretty cool, I know, right? Anyways, I'm gonna load up the analysis again. Check out the errors. Oh wait, there's a spike right there, so let me just try to go out the game. It was right here. What is this huge spike from the script? The universal spawner seems to be doing a lot of the work right now. Okay, yep, that's the only thing that's worrying. And I'm gonna be honest, yeah, I feel like the universal spawner was actually a pretty big deal when I'm trying to optimize my game, because I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'm gonna use Copilot, even though the universal spawner was generated by an AI as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for Copilot to load in, and we'll get started. I'm just gonna close everything out so it doesn't lag. Yes, I'm even gonna close some of these applications. Alright, anyways, wait. I would like you to improve the universal spawner. Or, hold up. Oh no, put it back. Put it back. I'm sorry, I changed my mind. Put it back. There we go. How can I optimize so it doesn't take 22% of the resources for this ND assist panel? Yeah, look how good this thing is. Hold on. Give it a second. Here's a targeted optimization for your universal spawner. CS to reduce its resources usage. Catch spawner transform once. Yeah, so I don't know all of it. Can you do that for me? Can you pretty please do that? Do that for me? Can you pretty please do that for me? Certainly! Here's a practical optimization of your universal spawner that you can repay. Can you do it for me? Wait, I can just copy and paste all of that. That's easy. Okay, I'm just gonna, or just apply. Oh, it does that? Oh, that's pretty cool. Hold up. I'm just gonna apply all of this. Just gonna apply each one. Alright, there we go. Just gave it a second. Alright, let's see how great my game works. Wait, what? Oh no. Oh no. Can you all of that into my whole universal spawner and the whole script. The whole script. Here's our optimize. Okay, there we go. Video's over. We already got our little universal spawner here. Yeah, look at that. Look how quick it's generating all that. Kind of chat GPT. That's just sad. It's just, wow. Oh wait, it's still generating. Hold on. I'm just gonna copy and paste it. There we go. Nothing else. That's it, right? There's little hairs on your microphone. There we go. Is that good? How do I look? How's my pretty face look? Alright, we're good. Alright. So, now the game should run better. It should run better. Yeah, outside mechanics, generators. Oh wait, it's just generators itself. Never mind. Line tag to spawn. Yep, I think it looks the exact same. I'm just gonna let it be for like 100 seconds. Sure, there we go. All right, now let's open up our window. And I forgot to do that. Hold on. Let me try again. Is this just me or okay? It looks okay so far. It's getting around 60 FPS, which is a bit unusually rare to have. Okay, never mind. It's 40 FPS. That's pretty decent, to be honest. And right now, it just got a spike. What is that spike all about? Huh? It's getting some weird little lag spikes, which is actually coming from the physics, or rendering. So let's check out the rendering. This is going to be a preview of me fixing my game. That's what's going to be happening. So it seems to be the drawings that's basically doing all the work. Alright then, let's check out this script one. Delays, okay. Okay, script behavior. Oh, that's really ironic. The smart culling, it's taking up most of the work. Smart culling, or the camera render. Okay, I'm gonna be a bit honest, I don't know which script that is in the culling or whatever, but I think, hold on, let me check what it is, because I'm pretty sure there is like a culling thing in here that's drawing out random stuff or something. What if it's this? What if it's just trying to do all of that? Maybe? I have no idea. Wind sound controller. I don't even think I don't need this, to be honest. Player movement. Oh wait, never mind. I'm sorry. Sorry, that was the wrong script. That was the wrong thing I selected. It was actually this. Oh yeah, here's the little 3D print I made. I'm sorry if I'm going really off topic, but I just thought I'd show you this. Alright, here it is. Now I don't know which one of these is the problem, but we gotta optimize them. Distance-based optimizer. Let's just toggle that off and see what happens. And so, in conclusion, it should fix our problem, if I'm correct. But if it doesn't fix our problem, then okay, it runs a bit worse. It's a lot more like 20 frames now, laggy, and yeah, this is the game. Oh yeah, it's getting a heavy spike right there. And why is there a spike specifically from the render? Because there's too many opaque geometry, which is coming from the lights. What's the opaque geometry? Okay, geometry. They found signs of a Type 2 civilization? Alright, anyways. Choosing the opaque material, each render has a different shade of blah 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 blah. Alright, okay. I personally don't know what that means. Hold on, maybe if I go to my material, rendering style opaque. Could it be from the GPU instancing? Or could it be from something else? What if I do a cutout? That just makes it disappear. Fade. That makes it disappear. Transparent. That slightly makes it disappear. How do I fix opaque geometry? Or whatever. Now, I'll just figure out later, because I'm just going to disable the smart cull optimizer and see what happens. And if I do that, it should make it worse. Or better. Imagine if it makes it better. This is the only script that made it like 40 frames or something. Let's see it. If it gets to 10 or lower, 8, no, oh, never mind. I was about to say 8, no way actually helped. But nope, still that many frames. Though, it did. Like, when I turned off one of them, it worked. Well, it didn't even do anything. Holy crap, that actually helped a bit. Not exactly helped, but whatever. You get the point! You get the point. I'm trying to make that something's up, and I'm gonna try fixing it. It's just making way too many drawings or cullings, which is coming from the behavior of a script. Smart object culling. And light LODs? Oh, look at that. The universal spawner is a little bit better. Holy crap, it actually is better. Oh no, it still gets those spikes once in a while, but hey, I don't think that's a huge issue, since there seems to be another culprit, the smart culling object, which I assume it's this one that's doing all the dirty Dan. So we're gonna fix it. But can you help my the 2.0% resource consuming script? It's ironic how this Kohler is making the game run worse. It's just ironic. Yeah, it's ironic how it's just making it worse. Sure, certainly. Here's a targeted optimization for your calling. Okay, alright, there we go. Now, if I'm correct, it should do all the work. Not do all. What am I talking about? I meant to say it should make it run better. Imagine the AI just deleted the whole code. You know what? I'll just delete the whole thing. It's okay. Alright, anyways. Light LOD. Yeah, the lights before this was a bit of an issue because for the lights, it was a bit bad. Like the lights take up a lot of space. So that's why I made this light LOD disabler, but I don't think it works that well. So I'm just gonna have it optimize this too. Can you also optimize this too? That also uses 2% resources, just like the smarter coal. I really want to be specific so it can understand what I'm trying to get at. I think I figured out the reason behind it. It's using all the LODs and stuff, so that could be why. So yeah, there we go. Close the window so the neighbors don't think I'm crazy, even though I am. 35 minutes? All of that took 35 minutes? Wow. I use all of my time like that? Just for making this game or anything else? That's sad, to be honest. I feel sad. I'm just gonna try again, see if it changed anything. Okay, I think it actually did it a bit. Look at that, it's going more than 40 FPS. So that's a start. Oh, why is everything getting so dark? Why is it so dark now? What the heck? What happened to my light LODs? Yeah, I think it's making way too many drawings somehow. And it's coming from the opaque geometry, which could be from the G buffer. And the G buffer mesh. I really don't understand what's wrong. I don't know what opaque geometry is. I'm gonna ask Copilot how to optimize avoid transparent or fade module unless absolutely necessary. Stick to opaque or cutout rendering modes. Buffer drop happens when the layers of each other is not necessary. Okay, I got it. Repeated geometry, like so. I'm gonna look at these trees right here. See these trees? I think they have. What if I do cutout? Okay, that did absolutely nothing. So I'm just gonna put a cutout to every single one of them. Probably not every single one, since there's probably a few that actually needs like a transparency or whatever, or fade. There we go. Cut out. Crap. What up? I'm trying to select all of this, but it's failing. All right, there we go. Okay. Yep. Perfect. Well, yep. Okay. Cut out. Now that should make my game run. My road. Wait, my road. No, Hold up. Don't worry. I can fix this. Don't worry. There's a way to fix it. Where did it go? Exactly. Oh, there's my asphalt. Opaque. Okay, I guess we're just gonna make everything opaque for these three. That's okay. That's actually okay. Yep. Alright. Now my game should run 1,000,000,000 times better. Not 1,000,000,000,000 times, but like, it should run better. 50 FPS? 50? That's amazing! Oh my gosh, that's even better! Guys, you can play my game now! It runs better! Bro, I actually did it! I did it! I already had AI help, but screw that, but run back. Okay, never mind, it's starting to get a little bit laggy. Let's check out the window, maybe. Holy crap, I almost got 60 FPS. Alright, let's check out. So it gets laggy over here. It gets huge spikes. Okay, while the game does run a lot more better there is a few issues. It's making too many draws, and surprisingly not from a script, I think. It's just from opaque geometry, which I don't know where that is. It's from the lighting. It's from lights. Oh, okay, yeah, just fix up the lights. Oh, there's the reason. I'm just gonna assign it to the player. Oh, wow, okay. I'm just gonna look away from that so it doesn't break. Components are only selected and cannot be multi-selected. What? What's the multi-selected? What's in you? Oh wait, there's already a light pole. Huh. Okay. No, I'm just not gonna assign anything. It's just gonna be like that. Just gonna make it like that. There we go. 0.5 frames. Yep. Looks great. Okay. Let's try it out now. I hope that did not break. Please? Alright. Okay. It's not as good, but okay, I don't think that really did much. Yeah, there's something up with the light. We need to fix up the light bulb. And I don't think it's every single light thing to there is gonna do much, so I think we're just gonna delete this. Yeah, we'll figure out a new script. Don't worry. Assign the light lot to here. Yep, there. Can you also make it to where it's attached layers camera and any light source or any light tag light hold from distance. Yep, this is it. This is how it worked. No way. Hold up, I'm gonna try copying this and then paste right here. I'm gonna get rid of all of this except for the lights, and if I do that, make everything. This is a pretty. What if I try that? I'm just gonna try it and see what happens. It might not work, which is fine, but I just want to check. Okay, I don't think it really did anything much. And if I toggle off all the lights, oh wait, no, they're already off. Is it the blue lights then? Is it because of this? No, it doesn't seem like it. Guess it makes too many drawings. Okay, maybe there's too many draws to the thing, so we could try fixing that. So I just noticed something. You see right here, we got near and far, which for the far, it's 40,000 units. Now, I don't know how much that would be, really, but I think I'm just going to reduce it down a bit to where it's like maybe 1,000, right, maybe 2,000, okay, maybe a bit like 3,000, okay. I don't know how changing this will be, but I'm going to try it, because I'm a bit curious, since I did realize the less you need to render, the better it'll be. So I'm gonna try that, and if it works, then I'm just gonna try finding many ways to do this. And I think I'm just gonna use I'll just keep it like that. I won't worry about the rest. And anyways, I'm gonna do this. Let's see if it works. Because if this works, I think this is the best optimization I've done. Okay, it's not great, but I bet I do it like 100. 10? Not even 10, it doesn't even work for 10. 1! This is like the most optimized it could get. What? Okay, what is in here that's doing so much of the work to where that it's not even allowed? It's still making so many drawings even though there's... Hold up. I'm gonna just toggle off anything that could affect it. Yeah, I don't think that did really much anything. Processing layer. Oh yeah, we got pretty good stuff right here when I did that. Ooh, instant shootout. So post-processing layer seems to be doing a bit too much work. Alright guys, I'm gonna have ChatGPT help me. Here's what it said. Hell yeah, bro! That's a solid approach. Yeah, I made it personalized. I want to feel special, alright? Isn't that all I want? Reduce, overdraw, cut down how many pixels at a time. Go to scene view. Top left down. Wait. Is there another way to go to a scene view or something? Where's the scene view? Like, am I already in the scene view? Is this it? Maybe if I look up scene view so I can get a reference. Okay, no, I'm in the right one. I would like to select this entire scene. No, I think I'm... Oh, wait, hold up. Game world. Okay, I got the scene view. So what do I do next? Hit GPT. Top left down, drop down. Top left drop down. Shading mode? Maybe if I just do that. I'll be right back, guys. Hold up. Guys, I found out, and okay. I've heard that white means bad and black is okay. And we seem to be getting a lot of light from this. according to ChatGPT. Avoid too many transparent objects. Use cutout shaders instead of full transparency. This has cutouts, opaque, fade. No, I don't know. I'm just gonna try anything that works at this point. Nope, doesn't work. 220, 2000. That felt good on my back. Okay, Trevor has with 10 over chat particle effects rascal. Fix it. Avoid too many transparent objects. Use opaque when possible. Use cutout shaders instead of full transparency. If your fog overlaps, the whole map shifts over. Cutout. I don't know if that did anything. These logs are the most whitest thing I've ever saw. That sounded a bit offensive, but whatever. I'm talking about trees, alright? Compile and show code. Oh, it's not bad. How many lines of code? Oh my goodness! AI is gonna be able to do this, not even Grok. I'm just gonna ignore that. I don't need to look at all of that. Pre-process? I don't know if that did anything special, but I guess I could try it. What if I just put all the materials that's cut out? I'm gonna undo this, obviously, after, but I just need to test if this could be a good way to do this. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. Okay, maybe it's somewhere here. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna switch it to cutout. Okay, sure, that works. 2000. Okay, fine. 2000. Geometry. No. Turn that on. 2000. Never mind. Reflections. No, you don't need reflections. Specular highlights. No. Okay, I'm gonna test it out now. Oh crap, I just saved it. Oh no, it's gonna be a bit laggy. Or it's not gonna be laggy, it's just gonna take a while to save. Yeah, I'm just gonna test it out really quick. Hold up. Alright, so after several hours, I think I'm just gonna leave the progress right here for today. It's 8:27 p.m. and I might as well try the game and see how it is. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, performance looks good. Should be like, yep, around 50 FPS, which, you know what, I'll take it, to be honest. And yeah, I think I'll just leave it off right here. Look at the UI works. Yep, that works. Let's just pick up the waters. Yep, it works. Alright. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave it. Yeah, I just spent kind of a long time on this. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it off here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a comment, subscribe, and this is PlayZamesAll signing off.